Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index climbed to around 98 on Monday, recovering part of last week's losses, as renewed uncertainty around US-Iran peace efforts supported demand for safe haven currencies. President Trump rejected Iran's response to his peace proposal, calling it completely unacceptable, while stronger than expected US non-farm payrolls reinforce expectations that the Federal Reserve may keep rates unchanged this year. Investors now turn to April inflation data for further clues. WTI crude jumped in early Asian trading on Monday after hopes for progress in US-Iran negotiations faded again. Prices rose nearly 3%, briefly trading near $96.60 per barrel, with the $100 level now in focus. Iran reportedly demanded that oil-related sanctions be lifted within 30 days, while Washington's tougher stance has renewed concerns over energy supply security and pushed the geopolitical risk premium sharply higher. Spot gold came under pressure after US-Iran peace talks broke down again, with Trump calling Iran's response completely unacceptable. A sharp rise in oil prices lifted inflation expectations and reduced hopes for rate cuts, sending gold nearly $50 lower to around $4,670 per ounce. Although gold remains supported by geopolitical risks and possible future Fed policy shifts, short-term momentum has weakened as capital flows moved more strongly into oil and the US dollar. The yen weakened to around 157.1 against the US dollar on Monday, reversing last week's gains as safe haven demand lifted the greenback. Trump's rejection of Iran's proposal reduced hopes for an end to the 10-week conflict, while rising oil prices added pressure on Japan as a major energy importer. Traders also remain alert after suspected Japanese intervention since late April, with officials warning they are ready to act against excessive speculation. The euro extended gains above 1.175, reaching its highest level since April 20, supported by optimism that the Iran conflict could still move toward a resolution. Trump said the ceasefire agreement remained in effect while Tehran continued reviewing the US proposal. At the same time, trade tensions remain in focus after Trump warned the European Union of higher tariffs. Markets are also pricing in further European Central Bank tightening this year, supporting the euro's broader tone.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.